So you guys, this is the end results. This is how it looks like. This is an easy breakfast for your family and parents. If you want to make this, you can. Just follow my recipe. Welcome to another episode with Having Fun. So today I'm going to be making sour chap, and this is my siblings. I have one sister and I have a brother. So you guys introduce yourself. You can do whatever you want, but we're gonna be making our sauce. But first things first, we're gonna be washing our hands. So yeah, this is Skyra and this is Shane. And yeah, Skyra is 4 years old and Shane is 2. So yeah, Skyra, introduce yourself.
Okay, fine. Hi, my name is Skyra. Today we are making sandwich. I said here. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow. Yeah. Welcome to another episode of Cali Family.
So everyone, let's wash your hands. The sink is over there.
Yeah, your hands.
Yeah, you have to wash it again. Guys, we're gonna be making our sauce. Shane, my siblings are gonna be passing me the ingredients. So let's do it. You guys, give me anything. So yeah, mustard. What's the next ingredient, guys?
This.
I want to do this. This is hot chili sauce. Okay.
I will do this. Mommy,
Please. Thank you.
I want to
Okay, it's Shane's turn to give me now. Another one.
No. There.
Ketchup? Shane, go. Bring it down. Let's do mayo.
Do this.
We're gonna be putting 6 scoops. You guys count with me. 1, 2, 3. Shane. 4, 5, 6. Shane, I'm the one who's putting it. Okay, guys, when we have our paprika. Are you guys ready?
Yes. How many scoops? Oh, pinch. I pinch.
That's good. And yeah, it was easy, guys. So you guys, my sauce is ready. Now let's go and make a bread. So yeah. I don't know what Shane is doing there. So you guys, now I'm gonna put in my bread, but first things first, I'm gonna put in my unsalted butter.
No, we have to put it on the fire.
Now I'm gonna put it on the fire. So you guys, now I'm gonna put on my bread. So you guys, now I'm gonna fill up the sides. But first, you have to wash your hands so it can be clean. I already washed my hands, so perfect. And you guys, this is how it looks like. This looks already, that's you. And by the way, guys, don't forget to last guy fall. I flipped my bread, and yeah. So I'm gonna take it off.
No, I'm gonna do it all by myself. Ready?
So you guys, my sister just did her own, and I'm just letting my sister doing it by herself. So next time she can do it all by herself. So you guys, now let's put in our toppings. This. So you guys, this is the end result of my ham sandwich, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing over and over until it's finished. Now I'm going to take it off. So you guys, that's how it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing over and over until it's finished. And by the way, guys, if we get to the gonna fall. Can you see how bomb this looks? I'm gonna wash my hands and pray. Amen. Amen. God bless this food. This who doesn't have this breakfast is easy. Parents, if you want to make this, just follow my recipe. It's super easy. You just need ham, lettuce, and other stuff. Just follow my recipe. And by the way, God, please bless the fans who's watching me right now. Amen. Now let's taste. Choose this one. 3, 2, 1. Can you guys feel the crunch? Guys, this is for those who melted yam. Guys, I need to go and pee, but since I have this, I just cut my pee and then I ate this. This is so crunchy, guys. And yeah, by the way, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and this is an easy breakfast for your family. And don't forget to like and follow. Peace.